Hello friends, it is Lisa. Welcome to my sunny little corner of the world. I hope everybody is doing well. I've been sick with COVID second time. It's not as bad as the first, but it's knocked me out all week. So while I was sick, I didn't really feel like doing much, but I did make this little book. I'm going to show you in a future video how I made it, but I made it from a single sheet of 12 by 12 paper. It was super easy. Let's do a little project share and then I will end the video. I used 99% of the stuff were these papers that I showed you in my Coco Rosa studio haul, and I used these lovely stamps, which I have to say, I just love them. They're really high quality and they're very versatile and they stamped up great. And this one, quote, "Go where you feel most alive," just resonated with me last week, so I put that on my cover page. So this is the cover of the book. I just used some washi tape here, and I cut out some of the designs from a sheet of paper, and I had this little focal point of this lady dancing, and I put her in the middle, and this blue stuff is actually ripped out of a magazine, so hey, it's junk, not gotta use it. And then you open up the book, and it's just a simple book with two pockets, one in the front and one in the back. And in the front I also used the stamp set, and I really love these 3 stamps that are in the set. I think this one is my favorite, this one the second one. This one came out a little blotchy, but that's just me. That was operator error. And I just put it in my little pocket. Oh, I have the dragon here because the theme of this book is Year of the Dragon. The Chinese New Year starts, I believe, February 9th, and that's exactly why I picked out these beautiful papers. And the papers in the book, speaking of which, they're just Xerox paper and an Ace Hardware paper bag. And I just stamped on some of them, leaving them the rest, for writing or for collaging. Also a cute saying in the book, "Go wild for a while." Love these moons and arrows. I stamp some of the pages. You can see it's very vivid. I just loved how they worked and how they looked. You can paint inside of them if you use a watercolor based ink. And I just had a lot of fun playing. I think I might even make this a stamp book and just stamp it up. I just sewed a simple signature, 3-hole signature, and used one of the cutouts to make a little bookmark. I thought that was really sweet. And then we just go on with the book. These are, did I say they were tea dyed paper? They are tea dyed, not coffee dyed. And it's plain Xerox paper. And then I have another pocket in the back. Here we go, Happy Chinese New Year. And I have some postcards in the pocket. I think I hid a little dragon right there. Kind of creeping out of the pocket. I pasted it in there, fussy cutted it in. So that is my flip through. I do have a code for 25% off using Lisa25. We'll give you 25% off everything you order at Coco Rosa Studio. You can use that code one time. You can use it on multiple orders. And I think it's a great deal. Go check them out. They do a lot of die cuts. I don't have a die cutting machine, so I've just been testing out their stamps and their papers, but they have a lot of stationery supplies, junk journaling supplies, and die cut supplies. Thank you all for coming to visit me today. I hope you are all doing well, and I hope I get better. Because I tested positive yesterday, and I was like, darn, I just want to get over being sick. Anyway, I will see you all in the next video. I hope you come around again, and take care all. Bye.